The DJI Avata 360 is rapidly emerging as one of the most innovative and forward-thinking hybrid drones DJI has ever prepared, signaling a major shift in how aerial cameras, immersive video capture, and FPV performance can coexist within a single lightweight platform. As early prototype chatter that first appeared months ago has now evolved into consistent leaks, clearer product imagery, and labeling that strongly suggests the project has moved far beyond the concept stage, with visible branding, refined industrial design, and polished promotional visuals indicating that DJI has been quietly testing and optimizing this aircraft for an extended period. And at the heart of the excitement is the drone's distinctive rotating gimbal system paired with dual spherical camera lenses that hint at a seamless blend of cinematic 360-degree filming and high-speed FPV flight, positioning the Avata 360 as a potential game-changer for content creators, aerial filmmakers, VR storytellers, and drone racing enthusiasts alike, especially with industry timing patterns pointing toward a strategic pre-holiday launch window that could make it one of the most talked-about drone releases of the year. And what truly separates the DJI Avata 360 from traditional camera drones or dedicated FPV rigs is its dual-mode architecture, where in full 360 degrees capture mode, the aircraft leverages two opposing ultra-wide spherical lenses, each covering close to 180 degrees, mounted in a vertical orientation with one lens facing upward and the other downward, allowing onboard AI-powered stitching algorithms to merge both feeds into a single immersive 8K 360-degree video file that gives creators extraordinary freedom to reframe shots after filming, change camera angles in post-production, and produce content suitable for virtual reality, panoramic playback, social media reframing, and cinematic storytelling without needing to precisely aim the drone during flight, while with a simple mechanical rotation of the gimbal, rumored to be a precise 90-degree turn, the Avata 360 instantly transforms into a stabilized FPV drone, prioritizing low-latency transmission, agile handling, and smooth forward-facing footage that FPV pilots crave. And this clever rotating mechanism not only enables the dual personality of the drone but also helps shield the delicate spherical lenses during transitions, landings, and transport, adding a practical layer of durability that many 360 camera systems lack. And when it comes to performance expectations, leaks suggest that DJI is aiming high, potentially equipping each lens with a 1-inch class sensor capable of capturing detailed 4K footage per lens, which when stitched together could result in crisp 8K 360-degree video at frame rates approaching 50 frames per second, while FPV mode may allow a single lens to push up to 5K resolution at 60 frames per second, delivering both clarity and smooth motion for fast aerial maneuvers, complemented by DJI's next-generation OCUSY-NC 4+ transmission system that is expected to provide ultra-low latency video feed, improved signal stability, and an impressive theoretical range of up to 20 kilometers under optimal conditions, making the Avata 360 suitable not only for creative exploration, but also for demanding professional workflows. And safety has not been overlooked either, as rumors point toward comprehensive omnidirectional obstacle avoidance using a fusion of LiDAR, optical sensors, and intelligent vision processing derived from the dual camera setup, enabling the drone to detect and navigate complex environments more confidently, whether flying through urban landscapes, natural terrain, or indoor spaces, all while maintaining a projected flight time of around 25 minutes per battery despite a lightweight takeoff mass estimated near 400 grams, which could help with portability and regulatory friendliness in many regions. And internal storage reportedly reaching 128 gigabytes would be a welcome inclusion given the massive data requirements of high bitrate 8K 360-degree video. Though creators should still expect to offload footage frequently and plan robust storage solutions, as the Avata 360 clearly appears aimed at serious users rather than casual beginners, particularly because editing immersive 8K spherical footage demands powerful computers, efficient workflows, and familiarity with advanced editing software. Even though DJI's onboard AI stitching and processing tools are designed to reduce complexity and speed up post-production compared to traditional multi-camera rigs, and from a market perspective, DJI seems poised to offer the Avata 360 in several bundle configurations to appeal to a wide range of budgets and experience levels. With entry-level kits rumored to start around the mid-hundreds, including a single battery and basic accessories, mid-tier fly more style combos, adding extra batteries, charging hubs, and compatible FPV goggles likely falling into a higher price bracket, and premium packages possibly bundling advanced goggles, motion controllers, and enhanced accessories pushing the cost toward the upper end of the consumer drone spectrum, while optional manual FPV controllers may be sold separately for pilots who want maximum control and responsiveness. And this tiered pricing strategy mirrors DJI's successful approach with previous drones, making the Avata 360 accessible to newcomers, while still offering professional-grade setups for demanding creators. And in practical use, the creative potential of the DJI Avata 360 is vast, as its 360-degree mode opens the door to immersive virtual tours, real estate showcases, travel experiences, live events, action sports coverage, and experimental storytelling where viewers can choose their perspective, while FPV mode caters to adrenaline-fueled flying, cinematic chase sequences, dynamic fly-throughs, and racing-style shots that benefit from stabilized yet responsive handling, effectively merging two traditionally separate drone categories into one adaptable platform. And this hybrid nature also enhances convenience by reducing the need to carry multiple drones for different shooting styles, saving time, space, and setup complexity in the field, while the thoughtful integration of obstacle avoidance, protective gimbal rotation, and lightweight construction further reinforces DJI's focus on usability and reliability. And if the anticipated launch timing proves accurate, releasing the DJI Avata 360 ahead of the holiday season could generate massive interest, strong pre-order demand, and rapid sellouts, especially given DJI's history of short teaser campaigns that build hype just days before official announcements. And as post-production considerations remain a key factor, professionals working in VR video, panoramic content, and high-end social media production are likely to benefit most from the Avata 360's capabilities, while casual users may face a steeper learning curve when handling large files, advanced editing tools, and FPV flight skills. Yet for those willing to invest the time and resources, the reward is a uniquely flexible aerial imaging system that bridges the gap between immersive cinematography and high-performance flight. And ultimately, the DJI Avata 360 represents a bold evolution in drone design by combining dual 360-degree sensors, AI-assisted 8K stitching, responsive FPV performance, omnidirectional obstacle detection, long-range low-latency transmission, and a clever rotating gimbal into a single compact aircraft, positioning it as one of the most ambitious and versatile drones DJI has ever teased, with the potential to redefine expectations for hybrid drones and set a new benchmark for creators seeking both cinematic freedom and FPV excitement in one powerful, forward-looking platform.